When we talk about and analyze the lack of success of an Indian team at Olympic Games, the first thing which pops up in our head is the infrastructure and the management handling that infrastructure. It is certain that there is no lack of talent. We are flooded with talented youngsters, we are flooded with human resources, but what we lack is actually a good infrastructure and academies to support this talent and groom them into the players and who can perform to their full potential. And on the top of it, these players also do not receive respect from the government officials. An example and a case in point would be what happened back in 2017 to the Indian national shooting team when they landed from Cyprus World Cup. Upon their arrival on Indira Gandhi National Airport in Delhi, those guys were held up by the authorities and the customs for 13 hours. 13 hours. Apart from the waste of the athlete's time, this is a huge blow for their self esteem and self respect. Even though they are our nation's hero and they are trying hard to get the medals, but still, being treated like this is not justified. When they win medals for us, all of us, even us as a community, we have posted it on our social media channels, and we do try to get that engagement and viewership. But this respect, why only after winning the medal? As a participant, as a national level, international level sports athlete, these guys deserve that kind of respect. I'm not talking about the attention, I'm talking about the respect. And that is one of the major points which is actually hindering our success at Olympic Games.
Another pivotal failure on the government's part is in the incentive related policies for the athletes. When Abhinav Bindra won the first ever individual gold at the Olympics, he was awarded prizes worth a total of 1.75 crores by various governmental organizations. However, in the years leading up to the Olympics, he was provided almost no support from the government, and his family had to bear almost entire cost of his training. He came from a privileged family, and this allowed him to sustain himself for several years. But most of our Olympic athletes need a constant financial support to sustain themselves. I mean, what's the point of awarding a handful of athletes after they've won medals? Instead, potential medal winners should be identified and have their training supported through several Olympic cycles.
Lack of awareness among the citizens of India. Lack of sports culture has contributed in lack of success in Olympics. The Indian has hindered in local sports development. A lot of parents want their children to become a doctor, engineer, accountant, IAS, but if their child wants to do something in sports, they don't support. We also don't have any planned structured development for nurturing the young talent. Our physique is not robust, and we also don't follow a proper diet chart, even in preparatory camps. Maybe because of lack of funds.
The incompetency of support staff. Modern day sport is all about right training and scientific approach. An athlete can enhance his or her skills exponentially with proper fitness and training. And here, the support staff is very, very important. But it seems like our support staff is not doing its job properly. There have been many cases of athletes complaining about the same. This not only affects the physical aspects of an athlete but also the mental ones. Before any kind of competition, our athletes should feel fully confident with their team, but somewhere that's not happening. During the Rio Olympics, our Indian runner OP Jesha said that she could have died because our Indian support staff forgot to give her water at the designated stalls during the 8-kilometer race. I mean, that's just unacceptable behavior at this level. Our Indian athletes will keep on struggling as long as our support staff won't do its job properly, and that's the last thing we want.
The conclusion. Let's just accept the fact that our country is not a sporting nation. We do depend on individual brilliance and performances. Our athletes face a lot of struggle, and may it be infrastructural problems, may it be management problem, may it be lack of training, lack of information, and just the idea of not building a career in sports. Over the past 70 years of independence, none of the government has done a substantial bit to promote sports, and it has always been like a stepchild ministry for all the government. And in to conclude with, I would like to conclude with the fact that India consistently foils the trend that countries with large population end up winning most of the medals. In 2016 हमने सिर्फ 2 मेडल जीते थे, यानी 65 करोड़ या 70 करोड़ लोगों पे एक मेडल. India has historically been one of the worst faring Olympic nations by population. So let us know what do you guys think about this, and let's take that step, and 2024 हम ज़्यादा मेडल जीतेंगे.